Hello, welcome back to my channel. Here's an idea of easy to do makeup for beginners. Today we are creating glam makeup for Navratri by using affordable product. Now I using peach milk moisturizer from LAKME. Second step primer from Inside Cosmetics. Eyeshadow from JACLYN Hill using light brown color for transition shade, then defining crease with dark brown color. In outer corner, take black color and blending it properly. After that, cut crease and apply matte color, any color according to your outfit. For base, I'm using Mars High Coverage Foundation in shade 5. Inside, concealer. Loose powder from inside. Blush and highlighter from drugstore. For lipstick arm, using Mars lipstick and here's us the final look. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and comment more.